Mula sa post ng Mega Magazine and Abel Bacudio, narito po ang kanilang naging caption. Ito po ay one day ago, so nangyari ito ng March 25. Abel Bacudio takes Filipino fashion in the competitive arena with Gintong Sinag, a collection that moves with purpose, hoping people rally behind and support Filipino athletes, especially the rising talents training at the National Academy of Sports or NAS or NAS in Pampanga. The designer teamed up with the Department of Science and Technology or DOST and the Philippine Textile Research Institute PTRI to rework traditional fabrics integrating elastic threads to enhance flexibility. At posted po ito ni First Lady Lisa Marcos sa kanyang Facebook. Saan may caption ito na fashion show of Filipino designer Abel Bacudio for the benefit of Filipino athletes. Gintong Sinag, hinabi ng lakas, ginawa ng pagmamalaki, Pasig River Esplanade, Intramuros, Manila, 25 March 25. Ang nasabing post na ito ni FL Liza Marcos ay nandoon siya at mukhang hindi naman ito edited. Nang ito ay research kung kailan ito nangyari mula nga sa Mega at kay Bacudio ay one day ago nga lang ang nangyari na fashion show na ito ng mga atleta at kasama nga dito si FL Lisa Marcos.